Colombia is a destination that truly has it all, from pristine beaches to lush rainforests, charming colonial towns to bustling urban metropolises. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a foodie in search of culinary delights, Colombia promises to delight your senses and ignite your wanderlust. So, if you're ready to explore the 15 best places to visit in Colombia and discover the hidden gems this country has to offer, make sure to hit that like button to show your excitement and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and helpful tips. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming adventures. Number 15. Cartagena. Cartagena is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Colombia, and it's easy to see why with its Caribbean coast location providing beautiful, sunny weather. Number 14. The Rosario Islands. The Rosario Islands are located off the coast of Cartagena and comprise 30 different islands. This national park is home to some of the most pristine beaches and incredible waters that Colombia has to offer. Number 13. La Ciudad Perdida. La Ciudad Perdida, or the Lost City, is an incredible hike and is one of the best hidden gems in Colombia. The Lost City is an archaeological site built around 800 AD by the Tarona and predates Machu Picchu. Number 12. Cali. If you love salsa and the infectious rhythm that comes with it, then Cali is one of the best places to visit in Colombia. And if you're not a fan already, you will be after a few days in the southern city of Cali. Number 11. San Gil. If you love adventure, then San Gil, a charming town of red-roofed buildings, is one of the best places to go in Colombia. It's famously referred to as the adventure capital of Colombia. Number 10. Jardin. Colombia is world famous for its coffee, so a trip to its coffee-growing region is one of my highlights of the country. Located in the heart of the coffee region is the stunningly beautiful town of Jardin. Number 9. Bogota. Colombia's capital city is usually a setting-off point for the other amazing places to see in Colombia. But I absolutely loved Bogota and highly recommend spending a few days here before heading elsewhere. Number 8. Tarona National Park. The stunning Tarona National Park, complete with secluded and palm tree-lined beaches, is hands down one of the most beautiful places Colombia has to offer its visitors. Number 7. San Andres Island. San Andres is without a doubt one of the best places to visit in Colombia, even though it's almost 450 miles from the mainland and in fact closer to Nicaragua. Number 6. Medellin. Medellin is a huge and incredible city. I spent a month here living as a digital nomad and based myself in El Poblado, a particularly cosmopolitan district in the city. Number 5. The Amazon jungle. The Amazon makes up almost a third of the entire country, and it's definitely one of the best places to visit in Colombia. There are some beautiful towns to visit nestled within the jungle, and it's a must-see while traveling to this part of the world. Number 4. Providencia. I couldn't leave Providencia from this Colombian tourist guide. Like San Andres, it's actually closer to Nicaragua than it is to Colombia, but nevertheless, it's a scenic and remote Caribbean Colombian island. Number 3. Jericho. Jericho is definitely one of the prettiest towns in Colombia, and despite its popularity, it still feels a little off the beaten track. It's a very traditional and religious town and is home to around 17 churches. You definitely feel like you're experiencing authentic Colombia when stopping here. Number 2. Guatap. Guatapé is one of the best towns to visit in Colombia. It's actually famous for its brightly decorated buildings and is so colorful and vibrant that you're sure to come away with 1,000 photos on your camera roll of this pretty town. Number 1. Santa Marta. Santa Marta is probably the best place in Colombia to base yourself if you want to spend some time in the Tarona National Park while being by the sea. So there you have it, my 15 best places to visit in Colombia, and the top areas I was fortunate enough to get to know during my 3 months in Colombia. It's a huge country filled with pretty towns, glorious beaches, and wildlife havens ready to be discovered. I hope this helps you plan your trip to Colombia and that you have the best time in this incredible country. Thanks for watching.